All right, today we're going to take a look at Google Maps, the Street View, in relation to, say, purchasing a piece of real property. So this is public information from Zillow. We're going to look at least one, if not two, properties. In this case, it's 204 Swamp Fox Drive in Fort Mill, South Carolina. So let's see what we can get here. Take that address. Go over here into Google Maps and put that in. All right, in order to get, you can close that if you wish. The little person, that's the street view. So as I come over here, it's one of these houses. These, looks like these green paths are where the street view actually comes into play. Doesn't look like it goes directly to the property that we were looking at. So I just drag that over. And you can see here that the arrow here is the direction that your little person is pointed in. You could turn it that way, right? So now your person is pointing it that way, it's showing it that way. Right. The subject property is right here because apparently when they did the street view for this, they did not come all the way to 204 Swamp Fox Drive. So that looks like that is the same property. Now, if we go back to Zillow here, yep, it definitely looks like that color has changed, like they painted it. Maybe I just can't tell because of my eyes, but that definitely looks like that's a different color than what they're showing in this picture. Now, if you look here in Google Maps, it has a date. You can see that says May 2008. That's quite a long time ago. Here we go. So I'm looking at someplace else close by. See where it says see more dates. So our subject property, it didn't apparently have one. So you can go back and look. In this case, it's an even newer date, August 2021, right? So if you had another property, you could go back and look at the different pictures and see what has changed over time, right? See latest date. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can get another property and see what happens if we look at the street view and see if we can get that historical time reference for pictures. All right, let's take a look at this one. 9718 Mitchell Glen Drive, Charlotte, North Carolina. Let's see what we get here. Let's check that out on Google Maps. Also, for some of these, they might have Google Maps right here, and you can go to Street View that way. This is another possible way of doing it, right? Although I do not see, because this is a little pop-out from Zillow, it might not have that functionality because I don't see that, go check out the different dates there, right? So actually going to maps.google.com, that's what I did the first time, and now let's punch that address in there. Grab the little person, then go there. Let's see, there we go. So 9718 Mitchell Glen Drive. Right. So the date on here says August 2022. So we're in February of 2025. So that's what, 2+ years ago? Let's go back to the listing in Zillow. That looks almost exactly the same. Right? So at least on the exterior does not look like it has changed much at all. Even at the basketball hoop, that appears to be the same. Right? Okay, so let's see more dates. Oh. All right. So 2019. pretty similar, including the basketball hoop. All right, here's the latest. All right, 2018. So the basketball hoop, that looks pretty similar to today. There's some consistency. I'll look at that in a second. All right, so see the latest date, see more dates. So we got 2016, 2014, 2013, 2008 even. That is really pretty consistent here. Even going back to 2008. Now, do they just keep using the same photo over and over? I don't know. Because I don't know how Google sources these pictures. But that is really consistent. If that's something you want to look at and see the changes to a property in pictures, this might be a way you might want to look at it. Right? So let me go back to the listing here in Zillow. And yep, HOA. That is probably why it appears to be so similar the whole entire time. Right? Single family residence built in 1998. All right, 0.22 acre lots, 4 bed, 3 bath, 2,402 square feet in Charlotte, North Carolina. That cemetery is not too bad, 4 bed, 3 bath. If it was 4 and 4, that would be, complete symmetry there, right? All right. Oh, here's your price history. All right, listed for sale, that kind of stuff. All right, 117. That's not too bad. Hasn't been out here that long. All right. All right. So I think that is it for this way to take an address and go into Google Maps and then look and see if it has changed. Again, I don't know where they're getting all these pictures from. Just because the date has changed. Don't know. That's the thing about data and dates, right? So there is an example of using Google Maps to go backwards in time and see how a property has changed.